Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my channel. So for today's video, I am actually going to be doing kind of a recreation tutorial of a look I wore in some previous videos a while back, definitely like 2 months ago. I'm so sorry it took so long to get this tutorial going for you guys. I really love this look and you guys did too, so I'm finally getting the tutorial up for you guys. If you want to learn how I got this look, then just keep watching. Hello! Okay, so to start off, we are going to prime our skin. I'm using the Smashbox Photofinish Primerizer, just the most moisturizing primer ever. And then I am going to use my Maybelline Superstay in the shade Classic Ivory, and I'm using a Sigma F80 brush, which I'm not a brush person when it comes to foundation, but I've really been liking this brush lately. I don't know. Alright, moving on, I'm using the LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Light Ivory, and I'm using that to carve underneath my eyebrows, and then I use my finger to blend it out, and then I'm just going to put that under my eyes and blend with a beauty sponge. Okie dokie, moving on, I'm using the Mercier translucent setting powder and I'm using a sponge to press that underneath. I find that this is the best way for me to get a smooth finish underneath my eyes. I'm also going to put that all over my face, and I'm using this Benefit Cheekathon palette, but you can get these shades individually each because they don't sell this specific one. But I started off with Hoola Light to lightly bronze my skin, and then I went in with Benefit Hoola just to get a more carved look under my cheekbones and around the edges of my forehead. Since I already had this palette out, I decided to use Rockateur blush. Really pretty and subtle. I very much like this blush a lot. And then I'm using the Smashbox spray, and then I believe I was using Too Faced Shadow Insurance. Some pretty good staples for me. And then I brought out the ever so amazing ABH Soft Glam palette, and I'm starting off with Tempera, and I'm using that to set underneath my eyeballs, or just kidding, not my eyeballs, my eyebrows. And then I went in with the shade Orange Soda, which is a really lovely transition color, and that's exactly what I used it for, using a big fluffy blending brush. I'm also running that along my lower lash line as well. To add a little extra definition, I went in with Burnt Orange, which is a little bit of a deeper color than Orange Soda, and I kind of put that more so on the outer corners of my eyes and then blended that out, as well as on the lower lash line too, which you will see in a second, just the outer parts. Alright, so I went in with the MAC Qween Supreme palette. I really love this. This is slip-on. I took my finger on this gorgeous gold color and I patted that all over the lid. More people need to check this palette out. I really like it. And then the highlight in here, surprisingly, it's so amazing. It has the most smooth finish on your skin. Like, look at that. Bye. Alrighty, now I'm using my ever so trusty MAC Blacktrack Fluidline to create a big old wing. This is kind of one of the major parts of this look, and then using some white eyeliner, I'm just putting that in my waterline to make my eyes look bigger. And then I'm preparing my lashes with some mascara, just my usual mascara routine. I just kind of use random mascaras, so yeah, don't ask. Alright, I'm using one of my favorite lashes ever. This is by Cakeface Beauty. It's in the style High Maintenance. These really make the look, the whole bare it's not a bare lid, but it's more of a nude lid with these lashes popping out, and the wing is what makes it. And then I'm using Charlotte Tilbury Pillowtalk lip liner. It's kind of like a Your Lips but better color. And then I'm using the shade Nude Kate, which is one of my favorite nudes ever. I love this color. For a little added glow, I'm using the Jouer Skinny Dip Lip Topper. I have a little mini set that I bought, and yeah, these were kind of insane. This was my first time using it, but yep, that's it. That's the look. You are done. Thank you for watching, guys. Remember to subscribe my channel and like this video, and catch me in the next video. Bye!